Welcome to the Behavior Lens ABC recording tutorial. To begin a new ABC recording observation, select the blue New Observation button. From the drop-down menu, select ABC. Within the Setup New Observation screen, tap on the Name tab under the student. Choose the school of the student you are observing, then select the student you wish to observe. If you have not yet entered the name of the student you wish to observe, hit the Add New Student button on the Pick a School screen. You may enter as much or as little information as you wish to add a new student. On the observation screen, you will notice that the Notes section has populated the start time of your observation. Press the Setting button to select the appropriate setting. Press the Teacher button to select the teacher of the class being observed. If you have not entered the teacher, this can be done at a later time. Select the activity from the blue Change Activity button. If the activity changes during the observation, you may hit this button again to reflect the changed activity. The purpose of this observation is to track behavior chains, including the antecedent, or the event that happened immediately preceding the behavior of concern, the behavior, and the consequence, the event that happened immediately following the behavior of concern. The consequence section is broken into the perceived function, or what it seemed the student was trying to obtain or avoid by exhibiting the behavior, and the actual consequence, what actually happened following the behavior. When a behavior of concern occurs, press the blue Behavior button and select a behavior from the drop-down menu. The behaviors in the drop-down menu are general, but you may add specific behaviors by hitting the plus sign and entering any behavior you wish. Specific behaviors entered are saved for each individual student to increase efficiency and consistency in data for future observations. After coding the behavior, press the blue Antecedent button and select the event that occurred immediately before the behavior of concern. You may select more than one antecedent. The antecedents on the drop-down menu are general, but you may add specific antecedents by hitting the plus sign and entering any event that you wish. Specific antecedents are saved for each individual student for future observations. After coding the antecedent, press the blue Consequence button and notice the two sections, Perceived Functions and Actual Consequence. Make a selection in the Perceived Function section to indicate what it seemed the student was trying to obtain or avoid by exhibiting the behavior of concern. You may select more than one perceived function. Then make a selection in the Actual Consequence section to indicate what actually happened. You may select more than one actual consequence. If you wish to add consequences, you may add to either section. Specific consequences are saved for each individual student for future observations. Once you have made selections for all three categories, you will notice a black Submit button appear next to the blue Consequence button. If you are satisfied with your selections, hit Submit and the behavior chain will be saved in the matrix above, along with a time and date stamp. The ABC observation does not have a predetermined observation length in order to record all pertinent data. To save the observation, hit the blue Done button in the upper right-hand corner. Once the observation is saved, you may not code any additional behavior. If you wish to cancel out of the observation without saving any data, press the Cancel button in the upper left-hand corner.